is quiet, shadows fall. Your name still echoes through it all. Miles apart, yet close it seems. When I surrender to my dreams, I close my eyes, I see your face. A distant love I can't replace. In waking life you're far away, but in my dreams you choose to stay. If I can't hold you here tonight, I'll find you where the stars align. Come into my dreams, don't let me be alone. In this silent world, where your love feels like home. If I can reach you in this life we live, then meet me where my heart can give. Through the dark, through endless skies, I'll be waiting with open eyes. If we can't meet in reality, then meet me in my dreams. The hours pass, but time stands still. Every thought bends to your will. No distance in this fragile space, where I can feel your warm embrace. Your whisper lingers in the air, a touch I feel but isn't there. Between what's lost and what it seems, you're always closer